Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my entire room with some jaw-dropping false ceiling designs. In this video, you are going to discover stunning false ceiling designs that can completely revamp your home or office interiors. Many people struggle with outdated or dull ceilings that detract from the overall aesthetic of their spaces. We've all been there, staring up at that plain, white ceiling, wishing it could be more. But the truth is, ceilings have the power to completely transform a room, and it's time we give them the attention they deserve. A dull ceiling can make a room feel small, cramped, and uninviting. On the other hand, a beautifully designed false ceiling can elevate the entire space, making it feel more luxurious and sophisticated. The right design can even make a small room feel more spacious and airy. So, if you are tired of living with a boring ceiling, it's time to think outside the box and explore the world of false ceilings. By the end of this video, you'll be inspired to take action and give your ceiling the makeover it deserves. A false ceiling can also be a great way to hide unsightly features like pipes, ductwork, and electrical wiring. And, let's be real, who doesn't want to conceal those ugly overhead lighting fixtures? With a false ceiling, you can create a sleek, streamlined look that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Plus, it's a great opportunity to add some extra insulation, reducing noise and energy costs in the process. The benefits of a false ceiling are endless. And it's time to start thinking creatively about how we can use this design element to enhance our living environments. As you start exploring your options, you'll quickly realize that the possibilities are endless. From sleek, modern designs to rustic, natural looks, there's a false ceiling style to suit every taste and budget. Whether you are looking to make a bold statement or create a more subtle, understated look, the right false ceiling design can make all the difference. So, let's dive in and explore some of the most stunning false ceiling designs out there, and see how they can elevate your space to the next level. One of the most popular false ceiling materials is gypsum. It's affordable, durable, and can be molded into a variety of shapes and designs. Another popular option is PVC, which is waterproof and perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and other high moisture areas. And for a more luxurious look, you can't go wrong with wooden or metal false ceilings. The key is to choose a material that complements your existing decor and meets your specific needs. When it comes to design, the possibilities are truly endless. From geometric patterns to elaborate moldings, there's a false ceiling style to suit every taste and style. You could opt for a sleek, minimalist design that adds a touch of sophistication to your space. Or, you could go all out and create a dramatic, show-stopping ceiling that becomes the focal point of the room. The key is to think creatively and have fun with the design process. One of the most innovative and eye-catching false ceiling designs out there is the LED ceiling. Imagine a ceiling that's not only visually stunning but also doubles as a light source. It's the perfect way to add some ambience and drama to your space, and can even be programmed to change colors and patterns to suit your mood. Another show-stopping design is the 3D ceiling, which uses advanced technology to create a truly immersive experience. And for a more rustic look, you could opt for an exposed beam ceiling, which adds a touch of natural charm to your space. As we've seen, the possibilities are truly endless when it comes to false ceiling designs. From sleek and modern to rustic and natural, there's a style to suit every taste and budget. By incorporating one of these stunning designs into your space, you can elevate your room's look and feel, and create a truly unique and luxurious environment. In conclusion, false ceiling designs have the power to completely transform a room, and it's time we give them the attention they deserve. Whether you are looking to add some drama, sophistication, or natural charm to your space, there's a false ceiling design out there to suit your needs. Thanks for joining me on this journey. And I hope you'll share your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more home improvement tips and inspiration.